Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 3 easy pumpkin recipes, and let's get started with my favorite one. Pumpkin is a key element here. If you use a Hokkaido one, you don't need to peel it. It should only be washed. Also you will need some salt, pepper, olive oil and some fresh rosemary. Remove the inner seeds and cut pumpkin in slices about a finger thick. Then put everything in a big bowl and sprinkle with olive oil, rosemary, salt and pepper. And after that stir everything properly. Preheat oven. Add pumpkin on a baking tray with baking paper. Roast it about 30 minutes and that's it. Enjoy your meal! And now we are going to make a pumpkin soup. Here you will need a pumpkin, carrots, onion, lemon, coconut milk, ginger, salt, pepper, soy sauce and some vegetable broth. Heat butter in a pot and add the vegetables. Cook until they begin to soften, about 5 minutes. Gradually whisk in the vegetable broth and cook for 20 minutes. Blend the content of the pot to your required smoothness. And at the end season the soup with the coconut milk, salt, pepper, soy sauce and some lemon juice. Serve the soup with shrimps or coriander leaves. This recipe is super simple to make and tastes so yummy. Before you start, please cook and blend pumpkin. So for the pie we will need this pumpkin puree, cottage cheese or quark, semolina, dairy butter, eggs, vanilla or normal sugar. You may also want to replace sugar with honey, agave nectar or sweetener for a healthier version. As for me today, I decided to use sugar because my children love when it tastes sweet. Beat eggs with the sugar in a bowl and after that add the semolina, quark and finally the cooled pumpkin puree. Grease a baking tray with warm dairy butter and then sprinkle the whole surface with semolina. Transfer the prepared dough to the tray and spread it evenly. I really love the color of the dough because I think that it is a perfect autumnal treat. Now I'm going to bake the pie in a preheated oven for 50 minutes. You can eat the pie both warm and cool. If you liked the video, please give me a thumb up and please subscribe for more. Bye bye and see you next week!